Okay, so today we'll talk about the multiplication of the matrix. Okay, so alright, so remember what we learned in matrix. Okay, so we learned that we need to know how to add and subtract, right? Okay, so let's do some recap. Alright, so in order to add and subtract, okay, so let's just say I'm given this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so this is the order of this matrix is basically 2 by 2. Alright, so if I give it another matrix 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so I ask you to add. Alright, so in order to add or subtract, they must be the same order, exact order. Alright, so this must also be 2 by 2. Alright, so just add accordingly. Alright, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, right? 4 plus 8 is 12. Okay, so just remember this, they must be the same order. Okay, so let's take a look at some examples of the multiplication, right? Okay, so let's take a look at the matrix worksheet 1, right? So question 1, given A is this matrix, B is this matrix, C is this matrix, evaluate what is AB and AC. Find the sum of this product. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at how do we multiply A and B. Alright, so maybe I just write here. So A is 4, 12, negative 8, and 8. Alright, and B is 1, negative 4. Right? Five, 4. Okay, so so if I want to multiply, I must make sure that this red color matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, 2 rows, 2 column. The purple matrix is also 2 by 2. Okay, so if I want to multiply both matrix together, I must make sure that the inner number, this and this, must be the same number. Okay, so the resulting matrix will give me 2 and 2, 2 by 2 lah. Okay, so that's the outer number. Okay, so first of all, how do we multiply? Very simple actually. Okay, so we know that our resulting matrix is this, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 2 by 2, right? Okay, so for the first element, this thing, okay, we know that this is first row, first column, right? Okay, so always start with the first row and times the first column. Okay, so this is the red color is the first row, the purple color is the first column. All right, and this 4 is the first number, so first number must multiply with the first number. All right, it's 4 times 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so 12 is the second number, right? So second number multiply with the second number of your purple column, which is 60. Alright, so you get 64 lah. Alright, okay, so let's move on to the first row, second column, which is this. Alright, okay, so same thing, first row, which is the red color, or I mean maybe just right here, and the second column is this. Okay, so first row is 4. Alright, 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. Alright, so plus second number times second number, which is 12 times 4, which is 48. Okay, so this you will get your second element. Right, okay, so now let me erase this. Right. Okay, so now we want to deal with the second row, first column. Okay, so second row, first column, of course we must use the second row times the first column, which is 1 and 5. Right, so negative 8 times 1. Okay, always the first number times the first number of the column. Right, so negative 8. Okay, plus 8 times 5, 40. Alright, so let's move on to the last element. Alright, so this is second row, second column. So negative 8 times negative 4, 32, plus 8 times 4, 32. Okay, so this is how you get your 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, yeah, so okay, so maybe another example. Right, maybe I'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is a 3 by 4 matrix. Okay, so remember to multiply by another 4, maybe I give you a 4 by 3 lah. Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 4 by 3, 0, 9, 8. Okay, so this is a 4 by 3. Okay, so we are able to multiply because here is 4, here is also 4. Alright, so our resulting matrix will be 3 by 3. Okay, so how do we multiply such a complicated matrix? Okay, so same thing. Let me draw the bracket first. Okay, so 3 by 3, right? So 3 rows and 3 columns. So just put all the squares. Okay. Okay, so this is 3 by 3. Okay, so the first square will be first row, first column. Okay, so remember, always the first matrix, we always want the row. Okay, the second matrix, we want the column. Okay, so now first number of the row times the first number of the column, right? So 1 times 9, 9. Okay, maybe just right here. Okay, second number of the row times the second number of the column. 2 times 8, 16. Right? Third number of the row times the third number of the column. 3 times 7, 21. Okay, fourth number of the row times the fourth number of the column. 4 times 6, 24. Alright, so this is your first element. So 9 plus 16 plus 21 plus 24. So you will get about 70 if you calculate correctly. Okay, so this is 70. Okay, let's move on to the first row, second column, which is this. Okay, which is this. Okay, so let's do it again. Alright, so now we are still dealing with the first row. Okay, first row, which is this. Alright, but now we want the second column of the green color matrix. Alright, so second column, maybe just erase this. Okay, so second column is this, right? Okay, so same thing. The first number of the row times the first number of the column. So 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4. Okay, plus third number of the row times the third number of the column. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, fourth number times the fourth number is 4 times 2, 8. Okay, so just add accordingly. Okay, let's move on to this, right? So let's move on to this, the first row, third column. Okay, so this third column, right? Third column. Okay, so but we are still in the first row. Okay, because here is first row, right? Okay, so we still need to use the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but just that we multiply with the third column. Okay, so same thing, the first number times the first number. 1 times 1, 1. Right? Okay, so 2 times 0, 0. 3 times 9, 27. 4 times 8, 32. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so if you calculate correctly, you should get around 60, right? 60. Okay, 60. Okay, so now let's move on to the second row. Okay, second row. All right, so this is first column, right? First column. Second row, first column. All right, so now since we are dealing with second row, of course, our first orange matrix must be a row, right? Must be a row. Okay, our green matrix must be a column. Okay, whatever that's in front is row, whatever that is behind is column. All right, okay, so this is column. Maybe I just use this. Okay, so second row, first column. Right. Okay, same thing. We need to use the first number times the first number. The first number of the second row is basically this, right? 5. All right. First number of the column is 9. Right, so 5 times 9, 45. Okay, 45, just right here. All right, 45 plus second number 6 times my second number 8. 6 times 6, 48. Right, third number 7 times the third number 7, 49. Okay, last but not least, fourth number 8 times the fourth number 6, 48. All right. Okay, so 45 plus 48. So I will get 190. Right? 190. Okay, so let's move on to this box. Okay, so this box. Okay, so this is basically second row, second column. Okay, second row. So of course we are still doing the second row, which is this red color. Okay, but now we are dealing with the second column. Okay, so I just erase this. Okay, so second column, I just use this. Okay, so second column is here. Okay, so first number times first number. Okay, first number 5, first number 5. So 25, 5, 5, 25. Plus second number 6 times your second number 4, 24. Okay, third number 7 times your third number 3. Fourth number 8 times your fourth number 8, 16. Okay, so let's complete. Okay, so you'll get about 86. Alright. Okay, so let's move on to the second row, third column. Okay, so here, this. Okay, so of course, second row, we are still in second row. Okay, but we move on to the third column already. Okay, so third column is here. Okay, so third column. So second row, third column. Right. Okay, so first number 5 times your first number 1, 5. Okay, second number 6 times your second number 0, which is 0. Third number 7 times your third number 9, which is 63. Alright. Okay, last but not least, fourth number 8 times your fourth number 8, 64. 8 is 64. Alright. Okay. Which is 132. Okay, so now we are done with the first row, second row. Now we move on to the third row. Okay, so remember, third row. So our orange matrix must be here. Okay, so the first matrix must also always be the row. Okay, second matrix must be the column. Okay. Okay, so this is the first row. Okay, so now we are dealing with what? Third row, first column. Right? So this is first column. Okay, so third row times your first column. Okay, so same thing, first number times first number, second number times second number. Okay, so 9 times 9, 81. Okay, 10 times 8, 80. 11 times 7, 77. 12 times 6, 72. Alright. Okay, so you should get about 310. Okay, let's move on to the third row, second column, right? So this, right? So same thing, we are still in the 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, just that we move on to the second column already. Okay, so this is the second column. Okay, same thing, the orange row multiply with the blue column. Okay, so first number times first number, second number times second number, so on and so forth. All right, so let's go. 9 times 5, 45. Okay, plus second number 10 times second number 4, 40. Okay, third number 11 times third number 3, 33. Okay, fourth number 12 times fourth number 2, which is 24. Right. So 142. Okay, so you should get 142. Okay, last but not least, which we are doing is the third row. Okay, this is a third row, right? But it's also a third column. Okay, so our third row we still keep, just that we move on to the third column. Okay, so this is a column. Alright, so first number 9 times first number 1, which is 9. Okay, second number 10 times second number 0, 0. Okay, third number 11 times third number 9, 99. Okay, last but not least, fourth number 12 times fourth number 8, 96. Alright, so you just add accordingly. You should get 204. Alright. Okay, yeah, so this is your matrix. Alright, so let me just add up the second one. Okay, 30 here. Okay, so this is your resulting matrix. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Okay,